Enable auto lock on Android. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to enable auto lock on Android is you have to simply go to your settings of your device, and then you have to scroll down and so for the lock screen you have to search for the lock screen, and then when you search for the lock screen, then you have to open it and it look like this one. So in the sleep option, you can see the first option is sleep. So it is saying that after 15 seconds of inactivity, it means if you choose the after 15 seconds, it means after 50 seconds of inactivity your phone is auto locked. So if you choose 1 minute, it means the after 1 minute of inactivity your phone will be in auto lock. It means if you do nothing for 1 minute, it means your phone will be auto lock. So that's basically it. So it is so on. You can choose the this you can you don't have to choose never. So that's it, that how you can choose the uh, auto lock option on the Android. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.